How to switch account on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to switch account on Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Now click on those three lines up there and click on setting at the bottom. And here you can scroll down and click on switch, which is the second before the last. Now all you need to do is click on confirm. And now you can click on add an account and add another account to switch between those accounts you did add. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful or if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and help us with a like. See you next time.